Okay, I got the drawbar back bolted on. I cleaned it and then painted it with rust reformer. I painted the whole frame and everything with rust reformer, and then I went over it with black paint after it dried. I put two new shocks on it while I have it off. I got the gas tank back in. The 3/8 side coupler got melted when I had a little bit of a fire, so I had to make a new one of them. And that one seems to be holding that I made. I went ahead and made a new one for the other side just because, you know, I had the stuff. So, and of course that one, the line blew off the coupler and it was leaking gas, so I had to lower the tank, get that one off. I put the original line back on, and I started it up and ran it, and it doesn't seem to be leaking now, but I'll have to keep an eye on that. So now all I gotta do is get the box back on. I might have to open these holes up a little bit. Once I set the box on, I'll fish the bolts through. I got some little spacers for the end ones because this one sticks up a little because of that joiner for the halves. So, but I'm in the home stretch. Thanks for watching.